The additive world has always thought out of the box to implement innovative concepts. This year, Formnext is also taking new, digitally networked paths. The personal contact remains the most important aspect to realize additive projects. I will find the right person for your questions. Because digital exchange also generates new ideas and solutions across the entire process chain of the intelligent industrial manufacturing. The whole world of 3D printing on one platform. Interactive, live, comprehensive. Formnext will once again provide an overview of the latest trends and topics. The AM family meets virtually. Be part of the Formnext Connect 2020.